Elevate your music production with the best MIDI pad controllers. These top-tier controllers offer exceptional responsiveness, versatility, and user-friendly interfaces. Catering to all skill levels from beginners to seasoned producers, these MIDI pad controllers enhance creativity and workflow, ensuring a superior music-making experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best MIDI pad controllers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which musical instruments you'd like to see in our next videos. The Akai Professional APC Mini Mark II ranks as the 5th best MIDI pad controller, offering unmatched control for creative looping, mixing, and live performances. Ideal for home studios and live gigs, it seamlessly connects to Ableton Live, controlling all studio equipment with ease. The APC Mini Mark II comes with Ableton Live Lite, a leading DAW for PC and Mac, enabling users to capture ideas, record mix, and unleash their creativity. It's pre-mapped for one-to-one integration with Ableton 11.2.7 and later versions, ensuring immediate compatibility and ease of use. Its 8x8 RGB pad matrix, consisting of 64 RGB pads, provides visual feedback for launching clips, triggering loops, vocals, and melodic samples. The controller includes 9 assignable faders, 8 for customizable mapping, and 1 master fader for hands-on control over Ableton Live's mixer, volume, pan, and devices. Additionally, the device mode offers control over Ableton macros. With dedicated drum and note modes, users can seamlessly integrate with Ableton Drum Rack or effortlessly play melodies using the Smart Scale view. Ranked as the 4th best MIDI pad controller, the Arturia BeatStep Pro is an exceptional tool for musicians and producers alike. This versatile device operates in 3 modes: 2 melodic step sequencers and a 16-track drum sequencer. It boasts comprehensive controls, including transport, sync modes, and 16 pressure-sensitive pads, providing nearly limitless creative possibilities. Designed to enhance your live performances, BeatStep Pro allows you to control MIDI devices and VST instruments with ease. Its features include a looper with a touch strip, a randomizer, and swing settings, all of which can transform your performances into unforgettable experiences. The control mode lets you trigger clips in your DAW, play external device sounds, or manipulate plugins, making it a versatile performance tool. The BeatStep Pro is user-friendly with color-coded back panel connections and backlit step buttons that match the current sequencer, ensuring you always know which sequence you are editing. Connectivity is robust, featuring CV gate outputs, drum gate outputs, clock sync, MIDI in-out, and USB compliance, allowing seamless integration with a wide range of musical devices. Included with the BeatStep Pro is a suite of creative software: Ableton Live Lite for track creation, Analog Lab Intro for professional grade sounds, and MIDI Control Center for easy MIDI setup and sequence editing. The Korg SQ64 Polysequencer, ranked as the 3rd best MIDI pad controller, is a compact yet powerful tool designed to elevate your music production. This polyphonic step sequencer features a 64-step pad matrix and a crystal-clear OLED display, housed in a sturdy and elegant aluminum body. Its intuitive hands-on controls and extensive editing options provide unparalleled flexibility and sequencing power for any musical project. With its wealth of connections, including CV, gate, mod outputs, and audio sync I/O, the SQ64 seamlessly integrates into any studio setup, ensuring total control over all your instruments. The sequencer boasts 4 sequencer tracks, allowing for complex and layered compositions. Whether you're crafting intricate melodies, dynamic rhythms, or experimental sounds, the SQ64's variety of modes and features make it an indispensable centerpiece for your music studio. Designed for musicians who demand precision and creativity, the SQ64's intuitive interface ensures you can focus on the music itself, free from technical distractions. The Ableton Push 3 stands as the second best MIDI pad controller on the market, offering a dynamic and intuitive music-making experience. This powerful device comes with the Ableton Live 12 Intro Edition, enabling users to shape their sound with MPE-enabled pads and a built-in audio interface. Push 3 allows musicians to stay in the creative moment, sculpting sounds and playing in a uniquely personal style. It serves as an expressive extension to Ableton Live, designed for long-term use and adaptability. The built-in audio interface features 2 inputs switchable between line or instrument, 2 balanced outputs, and a headphone jack. This enables a seamless connection of external instruments, synths, and effects, recording directly into Ableton Live. For expanded setups, Push 3 includes ADAT optical in and out, allowing for up to 8 additional inputs or outputs. This makes it possible to integrate mic preamps, extra instruments, and multiple modular connections. It also supports class-compliant USB MIDI interfaces, connecting standard MIDI keyboards or controllers for diverse playstyles and MIDI hardware integration. Push 3 features 64 MPE-enabled pads with XY sensors for expressive play and RGB backlighting. It integrates seamlessly with all instruments, devices, and effects in Ableton Live 11.3.2 or later, providing an innovative and responsive tool for musicians. The Novation Launchpad X Midi is celebrated as the premier MIDI pad controller for musicians and producers. Its intuitive design puts essential performance controls, such as stop, solo, mute, record arm, and level adjustments, at your fingertips with a single button press. Setup is effortless. Just plug it in and play with no drivers needed. Featuring large RGB velocity and pressure-sensitive pads, the Launchpad X mirrors your Ableton Live or Logic Pro sessions, ensuring a seamless and visually synchronized experience. Its deep integration with Ableton Live allows for quick launching of clips and scenes, accessing mixer and transport controls, and performing advanced tasks like quantizing and duplicating, all without using a mouse. The Capture MIDI function ensures that no creative ideas are lost. The Launchpad X offers 4 custom modes via Novation components, allowing users to tailor MIDI mappings to their needs and control nearly any aspect of their production setup. Additionally, its dynamic note and scale modes facilitate in-key playing of bass lines, melodies, chords, and leads. When drumming, the Launchpad X automatically displays your drum rack, making it easier to explore, build, and perform intricate musical patterns. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.